How to turn on or turn off high contrast fonts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on vision enhancements. And then we go down and tap on high contrast font. Tap on that to turn it on or switch it off. Now, if you look right here, if I turn it on, you can see the colors will changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.